Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We're going to talk about a new event. We're having an event down at our Texas showroom, February 21st through the 23rd. Make an appointment now if you want to talk to someone that is a knowledgeable factory representative, and you'll be able to see and touch and feel units like this that you're looking at right now. And hey, give us a call to make an appointment, or get on our website. You'll see right on our website, right at the top, schedule your appointment for this open house that we're having at our Texas showroom in Mansfield, Texas. So hey, give us a call, ask us about this event. It's 844-284-6678. And you have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you.